i35equipment.com. This is Caterpillar 312 BL hydraulic track excavator. This machine doesn't have full cab with factory AC and heat. Also has the manual thumb included. Just ready to, you can unpin it right here, drop it down and put it in the setting you like. So if you're going to be pulling trees or grabbing scrap all the time, you can put it down here, or the further up you want, the more digging you're going to be doing. Welcome you to come look at this machine for yourself. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Bring your mechanic and operator or hire local ones to accompany you if you like. Also, hauling is available to your farm or job site. To get a hauling quote, please fill out the form on our website. We'd be happy to look into that for you. Good digging power. Walk up here and check it out and let him climb out, then we'll hop up in the cab and look it over. Look, it has 4 teeth and cutting wings. Here's that thumb. It has 3 tines and then 3 different locations you can put the thumb, as well as all the way up as it currently is. It does have a new roller on this side. This glass is on order and will be installed shortly. Go ahead and zoom on out to the fisheye lens. May distort a little bit, but give you a good view of the interior. Here's your HVAC controls back here. The dash is a little cracked just from age and sun, so they've taped up the legend here so you can see what all the buttons do. Currently sitting at 687, just about 8 hours. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Look forward to hearing from you soon. As always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. And everything's shown by appointment, so give us a call and get on the calendar. 405-833-6437. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.